Could is often used to express a polite request or to make a more formal and courteous ask. When you use could in this context, you are seeking someone's assistance, help, or permission in a polite and considerate manner. It is also a way to make your request sound less direct and more respectful. Here are some examples. Using could in sentences that express request. Could you please pass me the salt? Could you lend me a hand with this heavy box? Could you spare a few minutes to help me review this document? Could you kindly refrain from talking during the presentation? Could you send me the reports as soon as it's ready? Could you turn down the music a bit? It's too loud. Could you assist me in setting up the projector for the meeting? Could you share your notes with me after the lecture? Could you pick up some groceries on your way home? Could you call me when you get a chance? Using could in request is a way to maintain a respectful and considerate tone, which can be especially useful in formal or polite social situations. If this lesson helped you, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. This is Silla. Thanks for watching.